Hey guys, this is a Moroccan pancake. It's called a bagrir. And look, it has lots of holes, and the lots of holes means it's fresh, and it's gonna be very tasty. It's made from butter. It doesn't have no oil, and I like it, and everybody likes it. And my dad will show you how to make it.
Right, we put some honey and some butter, and we melt them for just like 1 minute, like 2 spoons of honey or 3 spoons of honey and 3 spoons of water of butter. There we go. The honey and butter is already ready. It's very simple. There we go. Now we take a plate, right? Anna?
Yeah.
How many do you want for today?
I want 2.
You want only 2 pieces?
Yeah.
Not 4?
Yeah.
Okay. This is 1. You get it, Bagri. You just do like that. And you put it here. And you take the next one. Right? You see the Bagri? 1,000 holes.
Yeah.
That's a very fresh. There you go. And you put the
Oh,
second
and
one.
guys, this is not how you make it. This is just like the preparation for it.
Next time I'm gonna show you how to make it, right?
Yeah.
And here you go. You do like this. Is it tasty? And only honey and water is better than sauce.
True.
That's 3. You need 1 more?
No.
I'm gonna have 1 more. Do you? How about that?
Yeah.
All right. You put 1 here like that, and then put it. Yep. Here you go. It's ready to go.
It's ready to go. Okay, I hope you guys subscribe and like. If you don't subscribe and like, then we won't make any more videos. Bye.